Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of competitor analysis. This is a crucial process for understanding how your website stacks up against others in the same space. By analyzing competitor websites, you can gain a strategic advantage and improve your online presence. Let us explore how. So, why should you spend time analyzing your competitors? There are several key reasons. First, it helps to identify market opportunities and gaps in your current offerings. By looking at what your competitors are doing, you can find areas where you can excel or introduce new, innovative approaches. Secondly, it allows you to understand your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to learn from their successes and avoid their mistakes. Thirdly, you can benchmark your website's performance and features against the best in your industry, setting realistic goals for improvement. And lastly, it empowers you to make data-driven strategic decisions, ensuring that your website is well-positioned for success. We will look at website analysis in terms of features, performance, user experience, and search engine optimization. When performing competitor analysis, it is important to focus on key areas. We will begin with technical analysis. This involves evaluating performance metrics such as loading speeds, the technology stack and frameworks used, the level of mobile responsiveness, and security implementations. A good technical foundation is essential for a website's success. Next, we have content strategy. Here, you need to review the information architecture, which refers to how content is organized, the quality and depth of the content, the search engine optimization used, and how often the content is updated. These two key areas will ensure your website is both technically sound and engaging for users. To effectively analyze your competitors' websites, several tools and methods are available. For performance analysis, consider using Lighthouse. This tool provides audits on performance, accessibility, and search engine optimization. Web Page Test gives detailed performance metrics and waterfall analysis, which shows the order in which the elements of a website load. Metrics also provides speed optimization and performance scoring. These tools allow you to understand different aspects of website performance. To give an example, here is a sample JavaScript performance test where you can see how you can use a simple code to measure the page load time and track core web vitals, that is, largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is also a critical aspect of website analysis. Here are some of the key metrics to track. First, on-page factors such as title tags, meta descriptions, header structure, and overall content quality. These elements help search engines understand what your content is about. Second is technical search engine optimization, which involves looking at site speed, mobile friendliness, security, and the structure of the sitemap, which makes your website crawlable and understandable for search engines. Lastly, it is essential to analyze the backlink profile, which involves evaluating domain authority, the domains linking to your competitor's site, and the overall quality of those links. These metrics will help you understand what search engines find important. Here is an example of how meta tags in HTML are used to optimize website for search engines. User experience, or UX, is crucial for keeping your visitors engaged. To analyze this, you should look at some important metrics. Firstly, core web vitals, including largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. These metrics help in understanding the website's performance from a user's perspective. Secondly, engagement metrics such as time on page, bounce rate, and pages per session show how actively users interact with the site. And lastly, navigation analysis of click paths, user flows, and navigation efficiency can reveal how users move through the website and if there are any hurdles to their navigation. Here is a user flow example showing the steps a user might take from landing on a page to completing a purchase. Comparing features between your site and your competitors is a very informative process. The comparison matrix helps in understanding the strengths and weaknesses of your website as compared to others. In this example, we are comparing whether features like mobile responsiveness, search functionality, user authentication, API integration, and an analytics dashboard are present. A check mark indicates that a feature is present, while a cross mark indicates the absence of a feature. Here is an example of how you can check for a feature using JavaScript on any website and make a list of the existing features. Based on your analysis, you can make some key recommendations. For example, you might optimize your website's performance by implementing caching and optimizing images based on competitor benchmarks. You can enhance content by increasing the depth of your content and implementing structured data markup, which makes it easier for search engines to understand. You could also enhance the user experience by streamlining navigation and improving mobile responsiveness. Here is an implementation timeline for these steps. In Phase 1, focus on technical improvements such as performance optimization and mobile responsiveness. In Phase 2, concentrate on content enhancement and search engine optimization. And finally, in Phase 3, monitor the website by tracking metrics and adjusting your strategy based on the results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.